everybody, welcome back to another video and actually fun time. Today is going to be a very special day, or very special video I should say, because today my friend Anna is going to, she's having a sleepover with me, yippee, yay, and we're just going, she is actually going to be making some slime, and she's going to teach her how to make it. It's going to be her secret recipe, so don't take it. If you happen to film a video, please give her credit. Okay everyone, so this is my friend, her name's Anna, as I told you in the introduction there. Show us how you make your awesome secret recipe slime. Okay, so what you're going to need, and this is my secret recipe slime. Can you be a little louder? Okay, anyways, what you're going to need is you're going to need some glue, and I'm going to be using a gallon of Elmer's glue. I'm also, as my secret ingredient, a little bit of clear glue, Elmer's too. Shh, can't tell anybody though. You're going to need some water. I just had this little tiny cup of water. You're going to need some shaving cream. And I'm using 3 different paints. I'm going to be using a metallic purple, a white purple, and a regular white paint, and then just a regular violet purple. And then you're going to need something to mix with, something to mix in. And I'm using 3 different glitters. I'm using this small gold glitter, and this pretty silver glitter, and this really pretty Caribbean extra fine blue glitter. And it's really pretty. And then I'm going to be using some borax as my activator, some foam balls as add-ins, and white Model Magic as another add-in, and a texture for my slime. So, let's get started. So, clear off the table, because that's what we need to do first. Okay, first what you're going to want to do is you're going to take whatever you're mixing with. I'm using a stick, and whatever you're mixing in, which is a container, so I'm not wasting any bowls or anything, is first you're going to want to add in your clear glue. I'm going to be adding a little bit, so the smallest bit. Aha, there it is. So that's good. So you only want the tiniest, I don't know if you can see that, but the tiniest amount of clear glue, because you don't want to see the clear glue. That's what makes the slime good, obviously. So once you've added your small amount of clear glue, you're going to want to add in your white glue, which is basically, I guess you could say, the main product of your slime, because you're going to need glue to make slime. So I'm using it's not a small amount, it's not a huge amount, I guess you could say medium amount. So the right amount of glue, basically. So then, once I've added both my glues, I'm just going to mix my clear and white, but that's probably not really a good step to do, because there's really no clear in there. But now we're going to add in some water, because water makes your slime glossy, stretchy, and more thin if you don't like thick slime. I like thick slime, but thick slime is not really a fun slime for whatever slime I'm making today, my secret recipe. So you just want to mix that until all the water is dissolved into the glue, as you can tell. I'm going to add in a little bit more water, because you want to have, if you want to make this type of slime, you're going to want a very glossy, watery texture. But too much water doesn't ruin your slime, because I've tested that out. I like my consistency. It's not too watery and it's not too thick. It's perfectly good for me. So now I'm going to add in the smallest bit of shaving cream, because I don't really like adding shaving cream into my slime, but this is part of the secret recipe. So that is a good amount for me, because I don't like adding a lot of shaving cream. So now we're going to mix that into the mixture. So let's add in some, to make it all fun, let's add in some color. So I'm going to add in the original purple first, which is just regular violet purple. I'm going to open that up. Okay, open it. Okay, there we go. And add in a dot of that. There's my dot, maybe a little too. Okay, so now I'm going to add my metallic if I have any left. Oh. Okay. And then you're going to make a dot of that too. You want a little bit more metallic if you want your slime to be super metallic. Not super metallic, but a little metallic goes a long way. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white to just brighten everything up, because white brightens everything. And then you're going to want to mix that. And look at that, looks so pretty. You guys can barely tell it's metallic, but if you look at it very closely, it is metallic, but I want you guys to see from afar. So I guess we just add in more metallic so you guys can see it. So let's mix that in. That just really doesn't really change the color. It just makes it more like glittery. It makes it a little bit darker, but not much. You can tell definitely it's metallic now. Okay, so once you have all that mixed in and you like your color, you can go ahead. Whoa. You can go ahead and move on to your next ingredient, which will be the foam balls. You can go in any order you want. So for the foam balls, I'm going to add a good amount. I don't want to add too much because then some of the foam balls will fall out. So then I just add foam balls on half of the side of my mixture. So then you're going to want to mix all that together. Now it's time for mostly my favorite part, the glitter. But we're going to add in our blue Caribbean glue first. I think this goes good with the purple because I feel like blue and purple are like good colors that go together. So I'm not going to mix in some silver glitter because who does not like silver glitter? And we're also going to add a little bit of gold glitter. There we go. Alright, so once you think you have even amounts, you don't even have to have even amounts, you're going to mix. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can barely see the glitter, but I promise you, you're going to see the glitter when we activate it. If you look up close, you can tell there's some glitter in there. You can't tell on camera or whatever. So I think I have enough glitter, so it's time to activate. I haven't added the clay yet because we are going to add that once the slime is activated. So let's activate the slime or the mixture. So you just want to add in a little bit of like activator in your mixture and mix it. Here we go. So here is kind of a consistency you're looking for. You still want to add more activator. It's okay if you overactivate because you can always overactivate it. So here is what you're looking for when you have kind of reached the ending point, but you want to make sure. So this part is where it's going to get hard to mix. So just keep mixing till it starts coming off the sides. And when it starts really coming off the sides, then that means you are done adding any activator. But like add activator in between when you mix. Okay, so once you have it where it's mostly off your hands, as you can tell there's a little bit still on my hands, but that's okay. You just want to make sure that it is a little bit sticky so the clay will stick. I'm just getting all of this slime off my container. So here's the slime before we add the clay. You can barely tell there's glitter in it, but so here it is. Finally not sticking to me, and then I'm going to get all the slime off the stick that I can. So, okay, and then we're going to get the clay. I'm not going to add this whole thing because it's a lot, so I'm going to add in a good amount. Add in this much. Okay, so I'm adding this much. And mix it in. So the clay is actually starting to get in there. It's actually turning a really pretty purple color. Oh. So thank you for watching me make my secret recipe, and bye. Bye, friends.